TikTok's new US app M2 is launching on September 5, 2025, and here's what you need to know. This app is exclusive for the United States and will work as a separate download, not just an update. If you're in the US, you'll need to install M2 to keep using TikTok in the future. The current TikTok app isn't going away immediately. It will keep working until March 2026. But after that, it will be gradually phased out. So why is this happening? United States. The launch of M2 is part of new US federal regulations, designed to protect user data and address national security concerns about TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. M2 is expected to bring new updates and features, focusing only on American users, meaning a more localized TikTok experience just for the US market. So, if you're a TikTok user in the US, get ready for the switch on September 5, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on TikTok M2 and the latest tech news.